Puto creme brulee? Let's do it. 5 egg yolks, 3/4 cup evaporated milk, 3/4 cup condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and calamansi juice. Mix slowly and strain. Oil your puto molds and pour in the leche flan mixture. Steam on low for 5 minutes and let's make the puto base. I'm using Sarap Pinoy Puto Mix. Super convenient and no joke ang sarap at maniniwala kang made from scratch. Use 1 box or 2 packs, add water, sugar, and oil. That's simple. Take out the half-cooked leche flan and cool before adding the puto layer. Steam on high for 10 to 15 minutes and unmold. Sprinkle each with sugar and have fun with the blowtorch. Ooh. You have a crunchy shell and a toasted puto base. Ang sarap! Oh my God. Sarap! Filipino traditional puto, made easy by Sarap Pinoy.